Welcome, kids. Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is all about adaptation.
Let's begin. A place is cool, damp soil with many tiny spaces underground. Select the organism most suited for that place. And the correct answer is letter C, earthworm in moist soil. What does habitat mean? And the correct answer is letter B, a place that provides needs. A meadow has many blooming plants during spring. Select the animal most likely to do best there. And the correct answer is letter A, butterfly on a flower.
What does camouflage mean? And the correct answer is letter C, matching the surroundings. A cold place is covered with white snow for many months. Select the rabbit that predators would have the hardest time seeing. And the correct answer is letter B, white rabbit on snow. Based on the data table, which plant is more likely to survive in a dry desert? And the correct answer is letter B, plant A, because it loses less water.
A pond has water, insects, soft mud, and plants along the edge. Select the organism whose needs are best met. And the correct answer is letter C, frog on a lily pad. Based on the data table, which animal has some needs met but may still struggle to survive? And the correct answer is letter B, rabbit. A bird builds nests above the ground. It is placed in an area with sand, rocks, and no tall plants. Select the best reason it may struggle. And the correct answer is letter A, few safe nest sites.
Based on the bar graph, which organism would have the greatest difficulty surviving in a land area with no pond, stream, or rainwater? And the correct answer is letter A, fish. A forest has shrubs, leafy plants, shade, and safe spaces. A rocky area has very little plant food. Select the best reason a deer would do better in the forest. And the correct answer is letter B, more edible plants. Why would a rabbit have a harder time in the open field? And the correct answer is letter A, fewer hiding places.
A habitat has muddy soil that is easy to dig through. Select the animal best adapted for making tunnels there. And the correct answer is letter C, multiking underground. True or false, the meadow gives the bee a better chance because nectar is available. And the correct answer is letter B, true. A forest has trees, seeds, shrubs, and puddles. Which animal's needs are completely met by this habitat? And the correct answer is letter B, squirrel.
True or false? One environment can support one organism well, support another partly, and fail to support another. And the correct answer is letter C. True? A rocky mountain has steep ledges, grasses, and small shrubs. Select the organism most suited for this area. And the correct answer is letter B, mountain goat on ledges. Whose needs are least likely to be met there? And the correct answer is letter A, trout.
Which animal is best adapted to climb tall tree trunks and eat insects hiding under the bark? And the correct answer is letter C, woodpecker on bark. Why would the deer do worse there than in a forest? And the correct answer is letter B, few plants and shelters. A meadow has many flowers in summer, but very few in winter. Which statement best describes how this seasonal change affects a butterfly? And the correct answer is letter A, it survives best when flowers are blooming.
Why is the pond better for the fish? And the correct answer is letter C. Water lets it meet basic needs. A desert has dry soil, strong sunlight, and little rain. Select the plant most suited for this place. And the correct answer is letter B, cactus with thick stem. Why might the brown rabbit have a better chance there? And the correct answer is letter A, it blends with the ground.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.